When a buyer walks into your home, they've already started forming an opinion within the first 30 seconds. And what they notice in that moment can determine whether they get excited or start looking for reasons not to buy. So today, I'm gonna break down exactly what buyers notice first and how it impacts your final sales price. My name is Marquez. I've been helping homeowners sell in the Bay Area since 2007, including right here in Danville. And one thing I've learned is this: buyers don't just evaluate homes logically, they react emotionally first. Before buyers start analyzing price, comps, or features, they're asking themselves, how does this home feel? Does this feel clean? Does this feel like a place I want to live? That emotional reaction happens almost instantly. Factor number one, smell. This is one of the biggest and most overlooked factors. The moment buyers walk in, they notice clean versus stale, fresh versus musty, neutral versus overpowering, and smell is powerful. If something feels off even slightly, it creates hesitation, and hesitation slows down decisions. Factor number two, lighting. Next is lighting. Buyers notice natural light, brightness, shadows. A bright home feels more open, more inviting, more valuable. A dark home, even if it's large, can feel smaller and less appealing. Factor number three, first sight line. When a buyer walks in, their eyes go straight ahead. What they see first matters. Is it open and inviting, cluttered, dated? That first visual sets a tone for the entire showing. Factor number four, cleanliness and condition. Buyers notice condition immediately, not upgrades, condition. Things like floors, walls, baseboards, overall maintenance. A clean home signals this home has been taken care of, and that builds trust. Factor number five, noise and environment. Buyers also paying attention to little things like street noise, neighbor activity, general environment. Even if they don't say it out loud, it affects their comfort level. In markets like Danville, buyers are experienced. They've seen multiple homes, and they know very quickly when something feels right and when it doesn't. So the goal isn't perfection, it's creating a strong first impression that builds confidence and emotional connection. If you want to understand how buyers will likely experience your home and what small changes can make a big difference, I'm happy to help walk it through with you. No pressure, just clarity. And if this helped, make sure to subscribe for more Danville real estate insights. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video.